Music with Mr Eldred, even though he is not in the room. Music with Mr Eldred, it's a video link, it's a little like Zoom. Yeah. Good morning, Newington, and welcome to the 4th of our singing assemblies of the term. I hope you're doing well in your bubbly bubbles. I hope you're doing well in your homely homes. And I'm doing swell in my music of all music rooms. Today is the guitar edition. I've just got the guitar out here today and I thought we'd do a lot of songs on the guitar. First of all, let's warm up our voices. We didn't do this last week and I had lots of complaints, at least 3 complaints. Where's our Newington song? So let's sing that first of all. Are you ready? My turn, your turn. Everywhere we go, people always ask us, who we are, where we come from, So we tell them, we're from Newington, and if they cannot hear us, sing a little louder, sing a little prouder, we go hey ho, hey ho, hey hey hey. Hey, 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 oh, hey, 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 oh, 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 hey, oh, 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 hey, 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 oh, hey, 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 oh, 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 hey, oh, 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 hey, 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 oh, oh, hey, hey, oh, oh, hey, 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 hey. Phew, super warm. We're going to leave our intervals and our scales for the day. Not so easy to play on the guitar. And I know that you're probably warmed up anyway. Give yourselves a big stretch. Do some. Make yourself all ready to sing like athletes. Now, talking of athletes, this week is the first of the sports days. Reception and nursery are having their sports day on Friday. I believe there are other sports day events coming up very, very soon. So this term we always learn our winner's song. Winners! Can't even say it. Winner's song. And our winner's song, a song about winning. Now, a winner, usually in our heads we think a winner is somebody who's the very best sports person, the very best at something. And you might be somebody who thinks, well, I'm not that great at sport. I always try my best, but I'm not the very best. How can I be a winner? Well, you could be an everyday winner. And by being an everyday winner, you're the best winner of all. You can be the kindest person you can be. That is the best winner of all. You could be the nicest person in your class, the most caring person in your class. That's the best winner of all. Everybody has the potential to be a winner and to do your very best, because there's only one of you and you can only do your very best. And if you go to bed and you think, oh, I did my very best today, I gave my everything, I was the kindest, the most caring, then you are the biggest winner of all. This song here, I wrote originally for our collaboration theme, our collaboration core value, and yet it doesn't actually mention teamwork at all, so I've got to write an extra bit for next year. I'm sorry about that. So, it's very, very simple, very, very simple, and quite repetitive, so you can all join in it from nursery right up to year 6. And it goes like this, the winning song. And it starts off, we do it quite slowly at first, just get the words. Words go. We're singing because we're winning. We're doing our best, putting our bodies to the test, and we're winning. We're singing because we're winning. We're doing our best, putting our bodies to the test, and we're winning. So that's pretty easy in that chorus. You're just singing it in your sleep. No time to sleep right now though. So let's get everybody singing loudly and proudly. Sound nice and straight. Open those mouths, because the mouths are moving. We're singing because we're winning. We're doing our best, putting our bodies to the test, and we're winning. We're singing because we're winning. We're doing our best, putting our bodies to the test, and we're winning. Very Very good. I bet you've all got that now. Can you give me a big grin? A 1, 2, 3, 4. Ting! What lovely grins. And lovely chins. That's enough about your chins. Always use the little bins. Let's get ready to sing, sing, sings. So the next bit is a little bit more tricky, a little bit more wordy. And it says, it isn't enough for us just to take part. We're running with passion in our heads and in our hearts. It isn't enough just to reach the finish line. We wanna be winners all of the time. So it says, it isn't enough for us just to take part. Don't just take part in something, be the best you can be in that something. We're running with passion in our heads and in our hearts. Oh, it isn't enough just to reach the finish line. We want to be winners all of the time. Yes, and you can be a winner all the time. It's not about becoming first, is it? It's being the best you can be. So, that bit goes. It isn't enough for us just to take part. We're running with passion in our heads and in our hearts. It isn't enough just to reach the finish line. We wanna be winners all of the time. And that's really it. That is the basis of the song. I'm trying to write a few more things in as we go, just to make it a bit more varied. Now, here's an interesting thing we can do, because it is a very simple song. We can put a football chant over it, like the ba 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 Tottenham. I'm sure you all shouted there, or whatever your football team is. I know there are other football teams in the league. I just can't remember their names. So, in fact, let's try that. Let's try clapping that football chant. You ready? Up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba 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 ba. You do that football chant? Because normally it'd be ba 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 Tottenham, or whatever you're going to shout out, okay? But we're going to slightly shorten it to fit the song, so it just goes ba 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 ba. That sounds like sheep now, don't we? Ba 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 ba. So see if you can keep that rhythm going. Ready? Get your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba 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 ba. So keep going. This is singing, 'cause we're winning. We're doing our best, putting our bodies to the test, and we're winning. We're singing, 'cause we're winning. We're doing our best, putting our bodies to the test, and we're winning. Okay, half it, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It isn't enough for us just to take part. We're running with passion in our heads and in our hearts. It isn't enough just to reach the finish line. I wanna be winners all the time. It says, we're singing, ba 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 ba, 'cause we're winning. Doing our best, putting our bodies to the test, and we're winning. Singing, 'cause we're winning. We're doing our best, putting our bodies to the test, and we're winning. Wonderful, wonderful. So our football chant again. Here we go. Here we go. Go out. Ba 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 da ba 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 ba. This time, see me do that. Keep that clap going, and get the words as well. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're singing, 'cause we're winning. We're doing our best, putting our bodies to the test, and we're grinning. We're singing, 'cause we're winning. We're doing our best, putting our bodies to the test, and we're grinning. Excellent. Give yourselves a huge round of applause, and all the very best for the early years sports day coming up this Friday. Our next song is all about summer holidays. I know that 2020 has been a bit of a strange year, and some of us have planned to go on holiday this year, and sadly that has not come off because of what's happening in the world. But I'm going to close my eyes now. I want to transport myself on a holiday just through thought. I want to think about all the happy memories and see if I can transport myself on a beautiful beach somewhere, so I can see golden sands. I can see gentle sea lapping at my feet. I can hear the gentle breeze on the summer day. I've got something nice and cool in my hand, a wonderful ice cream. And Western Supermare has never looked so good. But if I could be transported anywhere in the world, it'd be to Greece. I love Greece, I love the Greek people, I love the Greek language, I love the Greek food, I love their climate. And if I could be on a remote Greek beach now, that is my happy place where I would be. Now, this next song is a celebration of summer holidays, and in a way we're going to transport ourselves on holiday just by singing this wonderful song. It's by Cliff Richard and the Shadows, a big hit in 1963, and also a film, you get a chance to see the film. It's Summer Holiday, and it goes like this. We're all going on a summer holiday, no more working for a week or two. Fun and laughter on a summer holiday, no more worries for me or you, for a week or two. That's the first verse, a lovely jolly tune, isn't it? So it goes. We're all going on a summer holiday, no more working for a week or two. Fun and laughter on a summer holiday, no more worries for me or you, for a week or two. In fact, you get 6 weeks. 6 weeks! No more worries for 6 weeks. Wow! And then it goes. We're going where the sun shines brightly. We're going where the sea is blue. We've seen it in the movies. Now let's see if it's true. High that bit, isn't it? Especially with Mr Eldred and his old croaky voice, his croaky summer holiday voice. So it goes. We're going where the sun shines brightly. We're going where the sea is blue. We've seen it in the movies. Now let's see if it's true. Extra ooh for summer there thrown in. So put together, that middle bit goes. We're going where the sun shines brightly. We're going where the sea is blue. Oh, a beautiful blue sea. We've seen it in the movies. Now let's see if it's true. And the last verse has the same tune as the first verse but different words. It says, everybody has a summer holiday. And that's true, isn't it? We get a summer holiday whether we go away or not. Doing things they always wanted to. That's not always true. Sometimes you don't get to do the things you want on a summer holiday. That's when you have to be imaginative and resourceful and do things to entertain yourself for 6 weeks. So we're going on a summer holiday to make our dreams come true. For me and you. For me and you. For me and you. Okay, so that last verse says, everybody has a summer holiday. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody has a summer holiday, doing things they always wanted to. So we're going on a summer holiday to make the dreams come true. For me and you. For me and you. For me and you. Okay, brilliant. Let's look at the whole song in sections. Let's put the whole bit together. You ready? It says we're all going on a summer holiday. No more working for a week or two. Fun and laughter on a summer holiday. No more worries for me or you for a week or two. Sing verse, going where the sun shines bright. Are you ready? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going where the sun shines bright. We're going where the sea is blue. We've seen it in the movies. Now let's see if it's true. Everybody has a summer holiday, doing things they've always wanted to. So we're going on a summer holiday to make our dreams come true. For me and you. To finish our singing assembly is a song that celebrates our wonderful world. Over the last few weeks we've been looking at the words, we've been looking at the tune, and we've even been looking at the man who made the song famous, Mr Louis Armstrong, or if you're American, Louis Armstrong. A man who changed the world of jazz, changed the world of pop music, and introduced swing and stuff, brought in scat into popular music, an absolute jazz legend. I want you to sing this song really, really loud and proud and celebrate our beautiful world, but remember to add that spoonful of the tuneful. We're going to busk it. This is the busking version on the guitar. Are you ready? The campfire version if you like. So it goes, 1, 2, 3. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Remember the second verse? I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what am I thinking? What a wonderful world, yeah, you is wonderful. And it goes, the colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, say how do you do, and they're really saying is I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. There's much more than I'll ever know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful. I hope you have a wonderful week in this wonderful world. I'll see you next week.
Music with Mr. Eldred, even though he is not in the room. Music with Mr. Eldred. It's a video link, it's a little like Zoom. Yeah.